Yeah, there's my dinner. His name was Juniper. Little flounder. Frying on the skillet. Yeah, it's Saturday. Day for fish. And the afternoon sun is setting. And I think that's probably enough. Got some good work done today. In the cockpit. Bulkheads rebuilt. All the way across the backside. Basically time to, I don't know what you call them, seats along the side there. It's going to be a top hatch. Yeah. It's a beautiful day here in Biloxi. And my lunch, my dinner is fried.